channel. My name is Melanin Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video I'm going to be trying a hair mask, and I haven't actually tried this before, so we're gonna see how this turns out on my hair and if it actually works. So I just had this idea to put watermelon in a hair mask as well as aloe vera to put in my hair. My hair has been super dry, so I thought these would be two really good ingredients to bring some moisture back into my hair, especially now that I am home and I have access to more healthy things to help my hair grow as well as things to eat. So if you would like to see how I make this hair mask, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys stay tuned to the entire video just to help me so I can continue pushing out this content, so I can inform you guys about the different things that I do to grow my natural hair, as well as interacting with me. I want to get to know you guys. I want to interact with you guys and create content that you guys actually want to see. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is slice the watermelon into very small chunks so I can go ahead and blend that into a juice. And later I realized that I really should have strained this with the cheesecloth, because later in the video you can see that it left my hair a little flaky because I didn't get the pieces from out of my hair because I just assumed it was blended enough. And that really wasn't the case, but now I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting up the aloe vera so I can start extracting the gel from the plant. You want to be very careful to make sure you're not going to cut yourself keeping your fingers away from the blade. And then I took a spoon to scrape, and I found later that it was actually a lot easier to start from the bottom and then scrape working your way up to the top of the plant, just so you can get a better grip, and it's just a lot easier that way. So I would suggest doing that if you try this. And like I said earlier, this is about the place where you want to make sure to strain the juice. But here I just went ahead and added the avocado in, and the other avocado I had ended up being bad, so I had to throw it out. Once the mixture was blended, then I went and put it into a separate bowl, and then to thicken it up to get the consistency I wanted, I added slow increments of bentonite clay. And you want to add them in slow increments because, like you see here, it's going to look clumpy and weird, so I had to go and add some more of the juice just to kind of smooth that out, and that's how you're going to fix that. And so you kind of go back and forth with the two mixtures until you get the thickness that you want. And remember, when using a bentonite clay, never ever use a metal spoon to mix it. It will mess up the mixture. Now I'm just going to take a oil combination that I keep on hand, and I'm going to spray a little bit of that into the bowl, but I kind of wish I would have added more oil because I think this would have given me a lot more slip, but we'll see the next time I make this recipe. And now the mask is done, so then I just went ahead and put it into the refrigerator until I was ready to use it.
So as you guys can see, my hair is pretty dry and brittle from this old twist out. So, ooh, that highlight though. That highlight though. That highlight. Chips. Drop the chip. Okay guys, so now that I'm done making the mask, I am just going to go off camera and wash and detangle my hair, and then I'll come back and go ahead and show you guys me putting the mask into my hair. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So last night I detangled my hair, but I got tired and lost all motivation to do my hair. So now it is the next day. I had the mask just sit in the fridge overnight, and this is kind of what it looks like. It looks like brown just because it was sitting for a minute. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just put this in my hair, and we're gonna see if it's good. Okay, so Just going to go ahead and put my hair in a bun. Okay, so now all I have left is these two sections. I'm going to take these down and then begin putting the mask in my hair. Ooh. Ooh. Look how soft. Look at how soft and supple already. It smells good. It feels weird though. I think it would be better if it hadn't left it overnight, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, we're looking juicy. Okay, so I haven't detangled it because my hair was detangled from a minute ago. This is what it looks like in my hair. It's like my hair is really detangled right now, very moisturized. Just gonna braid this back up. Or should we do twists because I'm lazy? Probably twist because it'll be easier to rinse out in the shower. Intriguing. Spritzity sprats. So look at like how defined my hair is. Like it's really drinking it up, and it's kind of like definitely weighed down because you can see it like clumping and creating a defined pattern, which it didn't do when it just had water in it a second ago. It's still one thing, it doesn't give it a lot of slip, so I think next time I make olive oil. Look at the shrinkage. I boop, ba-da-doo, boop, ba-da-doo, boop, ba-da-doo. And this is kind of where it's like the most mess, because as you can see, this is one where I had heat damage before that, you know. I decided to, hold up. So this is part of my hair that is like the most a mess, because this is where I had my heat damage and I decided to cut it off. And whoa, it's already grown back. Kinda. But there's like other pieces that are still kind of heat damaged, but it's kind of uneven compared to the rest of my hair, but I didn't really care, it just had to go. So snip snip. But I've been trying to fight the urge because my mom's been yelling at me to cut these other pieces, and I'm like, ugh. But anyway, so next time I know, and I got a small melon, but it still made a lot. So you know, I had like talked about it on TikTok and people were already asking for the recipe, and I was like, you know, this was kind of an experiment and I was just kind of messing around. This wasn't like legit, so we're gonna have to see, because obviously it's not perfected. But like the main reason is because I know that, you know, my hair was dry and I have high porosity hair, and I know that watermelon has a lot of different benefits, and I'll put them on the screen. But watermelon has a lot of benefits, including just being really high in water, and that's what your hair needs for moisture. Like a lot of people think that, you know, putting oil in your hair is going to moisturize it. No, putting oil in your hair only seals in the moisture that's already there. And so it's important to add water to your hair, and adding ingredients that are very water concentrated, and then also for your high porosity hair, making sure you do things to help seal your hair so it can actually retain that moisture is what's going to keep your hair healthy, and as well as if your hair is healthy, it's going to grow. I kind of like this. I don't know. We're gonna see. If my hair falls out, that's awkward. Oh, but I think it'll be good because it's like what could happen, you know? Okay. And then I also like to take, whenever I do masks, let me rub that in real fast. Whenever I do masks, I also take some time, and any excess I have left over, I'll just kind of rub it into my lay edges. Make sure those get some love in too. And boom, there you have it. The hair is all up. The hair is all up in my mask. The mask, focus. The mask is now all in my hair, and it's looking really juicy. And you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. And that's how, like, my hair just drinks water, but it stays dry. Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Anyways, so it smells good. It doesn't smell bad like some other hair masks that I've done, especially like rice water does have an odor, but this smells very pleasant. So we'll see. So I'm just going to take my trusty shopping bag, brought to you by Walmart. Just kidding, this video isn't sponsored, but we're gonna take this shopping bag. Especially with food, I never like to put like an actual plastic cap on my hair. So we're just gonna put this on my head, and we're going to sit for like 20 minutes. And yeah. Okay, so let me take this off. Underneath here, I just have my plastic caps. I've had it on for a little bit, and now it is time to rinse it out. This is what my hair looks like now. It seems that my hair has absorbed most of the mask. So I think this feels pretty good, but we'll see once I go to actually rinse it out. So let's go and head over to the bathroom. My hair feels like really soft though. But it feels super soft. We'll see. Maybe my hair was just really dirty. Okay guys, so we have made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys ended up trying out this video. Tell me how it worked out, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Like, let me know all of those things. And also let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see from me in the future. But I'm sorry this video has to come to an end. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!